boys and girls, I wanted to make a quick video for you on these slides. So it's pretty easy, but one thing I definitely want to point out is right here, and you'll have the video that I'm making right now right here. But also you're going to click on this, and when you click on that, it's going to take you to the customary and metric reference chart. These would be great for you if your parents have a printer at home to print off. If for some reason when you click on the link and it doesn't give you the option to print, just have them email me and I'll email it directly to them and it'll work that way. But anyway, so it has a great guide of giving you a reference to like what 1 inch looks like, what 1 foot looks like, kind of giving you a good visual on both the customary units, which are inches, feet, yards, miles, pounds, ounces, so on and so forth, and then the metric measurements. So those are two different forms of measurement that we sometimes see, but this is, again, a great reference to give you some visuals of what each one is referring to. So you really use this to help you with the slides for the next couple days of measurement. Like I said, having it printed off would be a good idea, but that's okay. I would take some time though to look at it and think about it, what each thing is talking about and what it is wanting you to kind of with relative to size measurement forms. And there's lots of different ones. So go ahead and use that as a tool for yourself. All right. And then you're going to go through here and there's going to be pictures. And what all you're doing is you're taking the picture and you're dragging it into the category that you believe it belongs. So would you measure a truck with tons? Would you measure it with pounds or with ounces? So hopefully everybody knows that you would measure it in tons. A goldfish, though, we definitely would not measure it in tons. We wouldn't even measure it in pounds. We would measure it in ounces. And one way to think about this, again, is using that measurement. So we might want to go to tons and find, where does it show a ton? Example, a car weighs about 1 ton, a pound, a loaf of bread weighs about 1 pound, and an ounce, a slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce. So that gives you a good reference so that whenever you're doing these, you can think about them. One thing to remember is that there are some things, like maybe this horse, that some people might measure in pounds, and some people might think, oh, there's horses that are the size or measurement of a car. Be careful with that because a horse generally is not the same size or weight as a car. There are some very large horses, yes, but just kind of think in general terms for those type of things. We got like a tiny little mouse here, big old boat, a dog, an airplane, and it goes on with other types of measurement, miles, yards, feet, and inches. If you're not sure what something is, make sure that you are asking about it with somebody at home. And it goes on for all of these slides. So that's all you're doing for this. So again, the big part of this is reviewing this Anchor chart, getting familiar with it, the do types, and then doing this. And then once you're done with that, you can submit your assignment. All right. Thanks, guys.